All right, guys. We're playing Mary Had a Little Lamb, and we're adding a chord substitution for that G7. What we're doing is we're adding a little bit more tension and interest by preceding that G7 with a D minor. And the span of time we have is one measure, 4 beats. So we're playing the D minor for 2 beats, 1, 2, and the G7 for 2 beats. So let's try it. 2, 3, 4. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Now, one more chord substitution for that G7. Let's do a G7 suspended. One of my absolute favorite chords. So if you're not familiar with this, let's get in through the back door. Let's make our G7. Now, when we suspend a chord, we're adding a note. And this is actually called a suspended fourth. So I ask myself, all right, what is the fourth note in the G scale? And I just kind of picture it. For those who don't know, my primary instrument is piano. And I don't picture things on the ukulele fretboard. I picture them on the piano. And then I try to bring them back to the ukulele. So I'm looking at the keyboard and I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth note in the G scale is a C. So I know that if I want to suspend a G7 chord, I've got to add what note? A C. Here's the C, right there. So we make a C chord, right? There it is. Listen to that. 1, 2, and then we go to the G7. So let me move in close. Here's our G7. I take my baby finger and I add this C note for 2 beats. And then the G7 for 2 beats. So in context, it would be, Mary had a little